Hello there, this is a quick how-to video for the installation of a rear bumper on a 1993 to 2011 Ford Ranger. I picked up this new bumper on eBay for $220. That was the total price, shipping was free. Anyways, as you see these pictures floating by here, someone rear-ended my 2010 Ranger about a month ago. I was a distracted driver, and after I settled with the insurance company, I ended up finding a really nice 2011 Ranger. The only thing I didn't like on it was the bumper, so I decided to buy a new one. I couldn't find any how-to videos on YouTube to do this job, so I decided to make one myself. So sit back and watch it, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Appreciate your time. Alright, this is my new truck, and I got a new bumper that I'm going to try to put on a chrome one because this one's rusted on the side. So we're going to open this thing up. Take a look at it. Hardware. Pin. Wires. What's up, Bubba? There's a new bumper. Sweet. Oh boy. Not bad looking. It's going to look better when it's on the truck. So that's the old bumper, and it's red, which matches the body. However, if you go to the sides, you can see, if I get out of the shadow, where it's rusting at, which I could probably fix. But this new bumper was only $200 with free shipping. The rest of the truck is super cherry. It's never been wrecked. Paint's beautiful. Whoever had it was garaged. The only issue I have with that is the rims. There's some rust. That's based on the type of steel rims. I had some nice aluminum rims on my truck that I'm probably going to replace or paint these ones. Got my nice Rhino bed liner. Alright. Okay, there's 2 bolts that connect the bumper to the frame on each side for a total of 4. They're right here. 2. And then there's 2 more bolts that connect a support bar to the bumper. One's right here, and the other one's out on the end of the bumper. That's what those 2 bars were. And the only other thing I have to do, or have already done, is take out the license plate lights. They just snap out like regular lights. So this is the passenger side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that need taken out. And then the license plate light on both sides, and then I just have to pre-put the new one together to put it back on. Alright, 4 main bolts actually broke free pretty good, which surprised me. I caught that on my cell phone. So I'm going to take the license plate off, because I know when I unloosen this, it's just gonna fall. My plug for the lights for the towing. It's just got a clip. I gotta clip that off. Alright, back on the bumper. Since I got it out, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Rust-Oleum over the trailer hitch. Clean that up, because what the hell is that? There's a damn crow up in there hawking at me, messing up my video. I don't like it. It's Friday too, the 13th. No, it isn't. It's April 3rd. Okay. April 3rd. Tow bar is repainted. Little Rust-Oleum action. I wonder if I'm going to reuse the wires that are already on there. I need to put these caps in. Nice. Almost done. The reason I bought chrome is because chrome is cool. What's up, Mike?
What's up, Scotty?
Working on my truck, brother.
Awesome.
Thanks. Later. Good thing it's just sitting on top of this tow package. Oh, now I gotta crawl underneath of it. Line it up. That's the hard part. But that's what it's gonna look like, so piece of cake. Now it needs to go in further. Yes. This spot in here. Looks like it's centered. Sweet. Got my audience out here. Finn, what are you doing, dude? Huh? I guess you're barking. Alright, I'm underneath the truck. Hopefully this is focusing. These are the bolts. The 4 bolts that bolt it to the frame. One. Oh, here's the second one right here. That actually just screw into these clips. And then there's 2 over here that I already got started. Piece of cake of putting this back on. So I'm going to torque these in and then be done with this job. spinning on me. Only got third hand. Alrighty, get this top one tight. These bolts had Loctite on them. I probably should have put some new stuff on, but I'm just going to use my brute strength. Alright, the bumper is on and done. Piece of cake. A little bit of time because I cleaned up some of the rust on the trailer hitch. This is the new bumper. Try to get my shadow out. The only thing that didn't come with was this little plastic round piece, which I just popped off the old one. And I didn't use all the parts for the new one. We used the old frame bolts, which were 4. And I used the wires from the old lights. I just put the new wire cases in, which are these right here. So that's it. Piece of cake job, easy if you're a do-it-yourselfer. Just need some wrenches, actually some sockets, and little brute strength, some WD-40. Have a nice day. Fixed, so hopefully it won't scare Finny anymore. Push the subscribe button.